So this is the question number 18 from 2023 midterm evening session paper, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So basically this is an assertion and reasoning based question. So first of all, let's take a look at the assertion. Then we'll try to figure out whether the assertion is true or false. If assertion is true, then we will see कि reasoning आपकी true है या false है. अगर दोनों ही true हैं आपकी, then we will try to figure out कि जो reasoning है, whether this is the correct explanation for assertion or not. तो अगर मैं बात करूं assertion की, assertion is कि after close function, no task can be performed on the file through the file object or file handler. ये statement क्या है आपकी? True है. Now let's say the reasoning first. A close function breaks the link of the file object and the file on the disk. ये स्टेटमेंट भी ट्रू है आपकी. Now अगर मैं बात करूं assertion की, तो उसका रीजन क्या रहता है आपका कि क्लोज फंक्शन के बाद क्या होता है, आपका फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट से लिंक टूट जाता है. That's why you will not be able to perform any functionality. Hence in this case दोनों स्टेटमेंट भी ट्रू है और जो R है आपका वो क्या है, करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ A as well. तो R क्या है, रीजनिंग क्या है आपकी, करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ A. Hence for this one option number A is the correct one. Now, based on the similar concept, we have a practice question for you. You need to answer this one in comment box. What will be the right answer for this one? Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.